In the endless flow of time, there are certain places that are not just points on the earth, but become centers of the universe's energy. The moment you enter there, the atmosphere changes. You can feel the weight of a profound mystery in the air. The flames of the lamps are not just ordinary light, but become a brilliance that shakes the soul. Here, every conch sound feels as if it has been echoing since the beginning of creation, and every bell chime seems as though it will continue until the end. It is said that at this place, the Mother Shakti herself marks her presence. This is not just a place of devotion, but a gateway to spiritual practice, where both devotees and tantrics come to witness different glimpses of the same power. Some come here to wash away their pain with tears, while others remain silent, immersed in deep meditation. On this land, a part of the goddess fell, a part that has made this place immortal for centuries. That is why every brick, every speck of dust, and every wave of the Ganga here offers a direct experience of the Mother's power. This is the third chapter of the great saga of Shakti, Kalighat Shaktipith, where the right toe of goddess Sati fell, where mystery and devotion merge in such a way that it cannot just be heard, but must be felt. As soon as devotees enter this extraordinary center of Shakti, they feel that it is not just a temple, but a living flow of energy. Every brick, every lamp, and every decoration of Kalighat Shaktipith is not just for grandeur, but is designed to awaken the energy of the devotee. The main structure of the temple was built in 1809, but its sanctity and mystery tell a story that predates even time itself. It is said that even ancient tribal communities considered this site a center of Shakti and mother worship, and this place by the river has long been regarded as a symbol of life, death, and rebirth. The temple's uniqueness lies in its distinctive idol form. It is not just an image of the goddess, but a symbol of her active energy. Its idol is made of black stone with 3 eyes, 4 golden arms, and a protruding tongue. This is not just a form of the goddess, but a symbol of awakened power. Those who come here do not find their minds at peace. Devotees come here again and again. They feel as if some deep cosmic force has entered within them. The idol creates a mixture of fear and compassion in the heart of every devotee. This form is of Dakshinamukhi Kali, which means that this power is not only destructive but also protective, guiding, and liberating. The sword, the severed head, the gesture of granting boons, and the gesture of dispelling fear in the mother's hands awaken truth, justice, and the mysteries of life within every devotee. Most people do not know that the geographical location and architecture of this Shakti Peeth are also connected with mystery and power. The river flowing near the temple, which was once a part of the ancient Ganga, and the nearby cremation ground, together present it as a remarkable confluence of life and death. This is why tantric practitioners come here for deep spiritual practices. It is said that when practitioners connect in meditation with this idol and place, they experience the true essence of Kundalini and life force. Within the temple complex, there are several small ritual sites and ponds where devotees and practitioners come for meditation, rituals, and purification. The flowing water in the temple courtyard and the surrounding greenery make it an ideal place for spiritual practice. And if you pay attention, the experience of the evening aarti is so powerful that devotees feel as if the goddess herself is present there. The glow of the lamps, the sound of the bells, and the echo of the conch all come together to infuse the entire complex with energy. This Shakti Peeth is also a major center for tantric practices. Here, initiated practitioners perform secret tantric rituals that connect them to the powers of the goddess. It is said that seekers come here not just for devotion and worship, but for spiritual awakening and deep meditation. The presence of Dakshina Kali, the power of her feet, and the extraordinary form of her idol together bring about profound spiritual and mental transformation within the practitioner. From the perspective of history and culture as well, this Shakti Peeth is unique. The influence of this temple is clearly visible in the art, music, and folk tales of Bengal. Kalighat paintings have kept the power of the goddess and the devotion of her followers alive for centuries. Local poets and devotional lyricists have regarded the goddess not only as a mother, but also as a power that removes obstacles and as a symbol of national consciousness. It is said that during the British Empire, the power and devotion here also inspired revolutionaries. This temple is not only a place of worship for devotees, but also a source of mystery and knowledge for seekers and scholars. Many seekers who come here say that they experience an invisible energy in certain parts of the temple. It feels as if the goddess herself is appearing before the seeker's eyes. Some have experienced divine visions or extraordinary sounds while meditating here. And perhaps the most remarkable fact is that ancient tantric rituals and age-old practices are still carried out in the temple. Many people do not know that even today, minor sacrificial rituals are performed here, which are believed to grant power to the goddess and blessings to the devotee. In addition, the water flowing in some of the temple's ponds, which devotees often regard as a symbol of purity and life force, is used in special tantric practices. The greatest feature of this Shakti Peeth is its vibrant energy and mystery. This is not limited only to the form and idol of the goddess, but everything around it, the earth, water, air, and sound, offers devotees a unique spiritual experience. This form of Dakshinakali, the power at her feet, and the rituals performed here together create an experience for both practitioners and devotees that is difficult to express in words. Kalighat Shakti Peeth is not only the abode of the goddess, but also a symbol of that power which has established balance in creation, compassion in life, and the path to liberation in death. Here, every pond, every corridor, and every temple structure gives rise to awakened consciousness and profound spiritual experience within the seeker. Seekers and devotees come here not only for devotion and worship, but also to experience the invisible powers and mysteries hidden within themselves. This Shakti Peeth reminds us that power does not reside only in idols or rituals. It exists in a living, infinite, and wondrous form in every place, every sound, and every heart. Here, the presence of Dakshinakali, the power of her feet, and the mysterious energy of the temple all come together to draw the seeker toward that divine experience which can only be felt. And remember, this great saga never truly ends. Every Shakti Peeth, every mysterious sight, and every spiritual practice reminds us of the eternal dance of Shakti and Shiva, which encompasses the creation, balance, and evolution of the universe. In our next chapter, we will journey to another enigmatic Shakti Peeth, where the energy of the goddess and profound mysteries still transcend worldly boundaries. Stay connected with the new chapters of the grand saga of Shakti to discover such amazing, mysterious, and divine subjects.